Dominique. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. So today, I know it's late. I know I probably got this up sometime like late Saturday night, Sunday morning, whatever. I am a week behind, so it will be a double upload regarding the sip series. Today we have Eufloria. I'm thinking it's like a play on words, obviously, of euphoria, but just Eufloria. It's a okay name, I guess. I really like the artwork on the packaging. It has like this floral design or whatever, and it's by Pacific Rim. It says Washington State Rosé Wine, but it's bottled by Pacific Rim Napa in California. Contains 12% alcohol. Jeez. Well, damn. Okay. 375 milliliters. Product of USA. Does contain sulfites. So if you're one of those people that do not like sulfites, don't try this one. Okay? Don't try to blame me. This packaging is like super cute. It really grabbed my attention right off the shelf. Why a can? Perfectly portable. Cans go places where glass is unwelcome, such as the beach or pool, and is light enough to take on a hike. Smaller size ensures a fresh, fizzy pour. Aluminum is lightweight, reducing our transportation carbon footprint. Cans are 100% recyclable. That's a plus for me. 100% wind power, offset, gluten-free, vegan friendly. This I did vendage like back in 2017, and they had their boxed wine, but it was like a twist off cap, like a screw cap. I thought that was genius. Now these cans that look like soda, it's just genius. People like to say, oh, or cheap wine comes in a box. What's your point? Make your point quick, please. Anyway, I'm still gonna drink it. Oh my god. You ever just have something good, you gotta look at it for a minute. This is good. This is real good. That's good. That is so good. It's not extremely sweet. It has a like bitter aftertaste to it, but it's not to the point where it's not like last week's wine where it's just completely flat. It's not sweet, it's not bitter, it's literally like a good, perfect type of combination of both. Yeah. This is really good. I got this at Walmart, I forgot to mention it. This was $5.48, I think. I want to say it was $5.48, and I was confused on why it was so much, and I'm assuming because of how much alcohol is in here, like the 12% alcohol by volume that's in here. That's what kind of made the prices go up, or maybe it's just the whole thing of canned wines being really popular right now, that is kind of up there for one can. Because when I reached to grab it, I thought I was getting a 4-pack. But it's just one. I really can't complain about this price for this amount, because this is a pretty nice size can, and I mean, it's a good product, good flavor. It's easy to find. I found it at Walmart. Now, will you find it at every Walmart? No, because you already know the demographics, and you know, we ain't getting into that. But this is good. I really like this. They have like 2 different flavors, or 2 different wines. I don't want to say flavors like this soda, but 2 different wines, and you can either get it in a bottle format or in a can. So guys, that's about it. Again, this is called Eufloria. They have a rosé, which we tried tonight, and they also have a white. You can get it in a can format like this. I keep saying format. A can or a bottle, your choice. Again, Walmart, $5.48. So basically $6 for this, and it has 12% alcohol by volume. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them down below. I will try to find the wines. I've been having issues looking or finding products that you guys recommend. So maybe it's like regional type of thing, but some of this stuff I just have not been coming across, and I might have to order. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next weekend on time. God, get me together, Lord. As I drink this alcohol, I'm sorry.